Good morning guys, ang daming snow. Oh my god. Han, I'll do it, Han. Grabe, ang daming snow guys. Good morning mga loves. So ngayon sobrang aga kasi trabaho si Mister. Andi nag-snow pa talaga mga loves oh. I put in the
Nope.
Han, can you get your coffee?
You're so funny, Rox.
Look, she's playing at me.
I know. It's snow. You like snow, remember? You just don't like it to be higher in your head. Keep your head up. You'll be fine. That's all it is.
Oh, of course, please come back to me.
Yeah, don't do that, huh? No, just leave it. I got them on path. That's what I really need. They're not what are they do? So they can walk over there and not see? What's the difference?
Ito yung gawain. Ang lapad oh. Ang lapad ng snow. Kaloka, ang daming snow. Ang daming snow mga loves. Grabe. Tingnan mo to. Sobrang dami ng snow. Kaloka. Ay, sobrang aga. 2:30. I think 3 o'clock na ngayon. 3 o'clock na. Si Tami sana makabalik yun. Alis siya pa tong trabaho. Wala, sinasagasaan niya yung ano. Ito yung sinasabi ko mga loves kapag wala ako dito and nag-snow, may snowstorm like ngayon, and then walang makapag bantay sa kanya kasi palagi para ano siya yung parang ano lang siya ba, walang pakialam pa minsan. So kailangan ko siyang bantayan. So paano na kung wala ako dito? Kasi muntikan niya yung mabunggo itong tangke dito. Muntik. Tulog pa yung mga kapitbahay. Tulog pa yung mga kapitbahay mga loves. Kami dito nag-aliwaliw. Wala, anong ginagawa ni Tami? Hindi siya makaakyat. Wala, nahihirapan siyang umakyat. Nahihirapan siyang umakyat. Tara, takbo tayo, takbo. Takbo. Yung kapitbahay, kung nagising man yan sila, sabi pa nila, anong ginagawa yung dalawang ito? Sobrang aga. Wala, pinatay nila yung TV mga loves. Wala. Nagising talaga sila. Kaloka. Don't close the thing yet.
Yeah, look good. I didn't hear the buying one. But clearly it is.
Anak, mas ang daming isno sa sasakyan. So, magbaha dito ba? Magbaha. Tapusin ko lang ito. Daming isno. Ay, ang aga. 4 o'clock na. Finally. Hindi pa talaga totally tapos. At least makalabas na si Mister ba? Ay, ay. Pero buti na lang yung ano guys, yung flow, yung daan, yung pinaka road talaga, pinakadaan. Nilinis ng mga tagalinis ng town. Buti na lang malinis. So ngayon, labas na si Mister. Hindi yan kumain ng breakfast kasi ayaw niyang kumain. Iwan ko na lang sa kanya. For sure, mag-stop yan sa Dunkin' Donut. Bili ng bagel sandwich or croissant sandwich. Yun yung gagawin niya for sure. So, yun. Ouch. So, ang dami kong lulutuin gulay mamaya. But anyway, so yun siya mga loves. And balik ako maghiga. Ay, grabe. Gusto ko pang matulog. Gusto ko pa talagang matulog. Alis na daw siya. You're leaving now? What did you get over there?
What did I get where?
In the bathroom.
Let the car warm up for a few minutes anyway.
Okay, so I go with you. Hey, you have your bag, laptop? Do you want a dinner hunt to bring?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
Who are you working with?
Stevie.
Oh, Stevie, that's why you don't bring. You always get a freaking food. It's gonna be flooding here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Just water.
just water.
You do that.
Because you should be put this car outside.
Excuse me?
Yes,
Okay.
that's what people do when you have plow. They put it in the back,
Yeah.
outside.
And you spend an hour cleaning the snow off the car before you can even do any plowing. Oh, God.
Bye, honey. At sana okay yung pagdadrive niya patungong city. So, salamat sa inyong mga loves. Ito yung umaga namin. Grabe. Kailangan ko din siyang sabayan sa mga pinagagawa niya sa labas. So, kaya yun. Gising ako din. Thank you for watching. Ito na, winter na talaga. Is Snow White na sa paligid. Bye-bye.